In this video, I will show you how you can fix the spinning wheel black screen issue on the iPad 11 A16. Now as you can see, currently this issue is fixed on our iPad. But if you're facing this issue that the screen of your iPad is black and this wheel is just spinning over and over again, and if you want to fix this issue, now doing that is very simple. Just grab your iPad and just perform a force restart on your iPad. To do that, just press and release the volume up and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button of your iPad until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. Now just check if your issue is fixed or not. Now if your issue is still not fixed, then just grab your iPad and press both of the volume buttons and the side button a couple of times because dust and debris might get in there and the buttons can get stuck. So just press each button a couple of times and make sure that they're not stuck. And after you do that, then just plug your iPad into charge and leave it plugged into charge for a couple of minutes. Ideally, leave your iPad plugged into charge for 30 to 40 minutes. And after that, just perform a force restart again. As I've mentioned earlier, just press and release the volume up and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo on the screen. Now just perform a force restart 2 to 3 times on your iPad, and by doing that, then hopefully your issue will be fixed. But if you have done all of that and if your issue is still not fixed, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPad. Just take your iPad to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.